What's up guys, Nizo here. Today we're going to be unboxing Starsound's new Superbass monoblock amplifier. Before we open the actual amplifier, I just need to point out something regarding the model number. 16,000 is the model. This is not a 16,000 watt amplifier, not peak rating, not anything. There's a cool little sticker, instruction manual. I know people hate instruction manuals. Specifications right at the back. The only thing I see that they've left out here is the true power rating of the amplifier. This is a 5 kilowatt amplifier. So before we get to the amplifier, there is a really nice controller, bass controller. It's always really nice and handy to have one of these. Now for my next favorite part, the amplifier. So the first thing you'll notice about this amplifier, it's extremely compact for the amount of power it puts out. The reason for that is this is a full bridge amplifier. Before we get into the whole half bridge and full bridge information, let's quickly look at the amplifier. There's power input, that's your positive and negative 0 gauge. I don't know why there's a 8 gauge input for remote, but it is what it is. There's a set of fans. The fans suck in air on this side, sucks in cold air, blows it through the amplifier and out this side when needed. There's a single set of speaker outputs. Those are also 8 gauge. Note there's one. If this was a normal Korean half bridge amplifier, you could possibly go to half an ohm, as guys tend to do in SPL. With these amplifiers, please do not do that. Another thing you'll notice is it says input output. A lot of people make the mistake of plugging in left and right. The amplifier only needs one input. The output is, in the event you're running a second amplifier to power a second woofer, you'll basically plug the output from here into the input of the next amplifier. One thing you'll notice on this amplifier that's very different from your conventional mono blocks is it has a crossover. It's got high pass, low pass. High pass is your subsonic or infrasonic for setting the low point. It's variable from 15 Hertz to 80 Hertz. So that means if you set it on 15 Hertz, it cuts out everything below 15 Hertz. The low pass goes from 80 Hertz all the way to 20 kilohertz. That means, or that indicates to you that this is a full range amplifier, meaning you can run mids, tweeters, or subwoofers on it. I've listened to this amplifier. If I have to be 100% honest, I would only use this amplifier to power subwoofers, maybe mid-bass drivers. I would not personally use them to run tweeters. They don't sound that great powering tweeters. I have tried. I've listened to them on a set of mids. I've tried to power 4 really strong mid-range drivers, 8-inch mids, and it gets loud, yes, but it doesn't sound great. So stick to subwoofers and you'll be happy. Bass boost, feature I love to hate. So many people don't know how to use it correctly. The nice part of this bass boost is it's variable. Your center point is variable from 35 Hertz all the way to 70 Hertz. That's typically for your subwoofer or mid-bass. Gain, that's self-explanatory. Everyone knows how gain control works. What's different with Korean full bridge amplifiers is they come with the remote bass controller that I showed you earlier on. A lot of the Brazilian amplifiers do not come with this feature. I know a lot of people are confusing this with a Brazilian amplifier. It is not. It's Korean based full bridge. There may be some borrowed technology. I'm not saying there is. I'm not saying there isn't. I'm just saying there's a lot of similarities, but I use the amplifier in my utility and I must say I was blown away with it. I really didn't expect it to sound the way it did. I expected it to be very rough. It was anything but that. That said, the amplifier was tuned correctly. I even posted a video of the system doing hair tricks using this amplifier and a pair of Apocalypse woofers. If you have any other questions, concerns, comments, feel free to reach out to me. I'm available on all social platforms. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.